Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my MailerKit review. So, what is MailerKit? MailerKit is a next generation autoresponder with inbuilt SPTP which allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscriber without paying any monthly fee every single email into the primary inbox without spending a dime on third party software. So this is the how the sales page looks like. I have given the website link in the description box. So if you click on the any of the link in the description box, this is how the sales page looks like. So come, let's take a look at sales page. So they have a best primary inbox delivery in the industry. Collect unlimited leads and unlimited send unlimited emails. Limit time offer. You control your own reputations. So no monthly fees, no restrictions. So 100% cloud based with zero restrictions. Unlimited emails, unlimited subscriber, unlimited list, spam trap technology involved in inbox delivery, drop and drag and drop automation, built-in options and forms and pre-designed and stunning email templates. And what else? Powerful reports and analytic tools. 24/7 technical support, completely user friendly. So you can get purchase the product through this link, or you can also purchase the product through my link. So I have given the website bonus page link in the description box. This is how the bonus page looks like. So you'll get all of my bonuses, including the vendor bonuses also. These are custom based bonus, especially prepared by me. So you can uh, log in to the access the mailer kit in 3 steps. Step 1, just log in. Step 2, create campaigns. Step 3, make profits. That's it. That's how simple the mailer kit is. So mailer kit is better for those who want no limits to their email automation capabilities. So this platform also has the tools you need at your disposal. This it's a fully fledged and integrated cloud platform that comes with its own included and pre-configured dedicated SMTP server, so dedicated IPs. So all you must do is push send and your emails delivered instantly thousands of subscribers at literally zero cost to you. So with access to MailerKit, get ready to skyrocket your email open rates and click rates 50 times X and completely customize your email marketing automation. Send unlimited email campaigns to unlimited subscribers without any monthly fees. All your email are delivered straight to your customer's inbox with inbuilt spam trap technology. Never again get blocked and reduce your spam scores. And the free SMTP service will enable you to send unlimited emails and make sure they are read. So run unlimited promotional campaigns to design beautiful emails with built-in easy and drag and drop editor. So no chance of IP address getting blacklisted because of sending bulk emails. So the features of and benefits of a mailer kit. The first one is cloud-based mobile responsive technology. It's a 100% newbie friendly, easy to use email autoresponder. Second one is drag and drop email templates. So drag and drop email builder is as well as dozens of email templates or layouts for you to start on. Still embedded subscription form to your own website. So embedded a subscription form to collect subscriber for your campaign. Design and customize the subscription sign up form for the list and embedded it on your own website, your own brand and look and feel. Individual IP addresses. Individual IP addresses is a they provide IP so that there's nothing for you to configure. So you have to do nothing but just upload your list and start mailing. This way you can control your reputation mailing from your own IP address. So next one is pre-designed templates. Pre-designed templates, it becomes easy for you to entice thousands of visitors with their creative designed used templates with drag and drop keys. Automated welcome sequence. Automation features allow you to send email campaigns automatically or conditionally to your list or individually in response to several types of events. The seventh one is list management. List management, unlimited list imports can be done inside the tool. It is integrated with features that automatically add a subscriber as when they sign in. So on all types of email contents, you can simply add your contents to your email and get ready to send. It can be images, videos, GIFs, and fully formulated text exactly the way you want it to look. Check the spam and test them. Enable you to mark my MailerKit will enable you to test your subject lines and alert you if there is any spam contents in your mail. Reports and analytics. Reports, and you can send your emails and track them with all reports and statistics features available inside the software to help you analyze the clicks and opens and maximize your conversation. Automation features. Automation features allow you to send email campaigns automatically or conditionally to your list or individuals in response to severe types of events. Easy integration with third party. There is a feature that allows easy integration with third party services like SendGrid, Amazon SCS, Mailgun, Mailjet, etc. Everything is unlimited with no limitation. There is no restriction at all of emails you can send. The number of subscribers can be any number on how many campaigns you run. Powerful autoresponder feature. Powerful autoresponder feature get even more engaged with your audience with personalized email flow triggered by real-time behavior. With proper email flow, your communication can be even more efficient and your relationship can become stronger. So spam trap. Your emails don't get trapped all the time in the filter. So MailerKit ensures that the useless mail spam does not fill your inboxes and that your personal data is safe. So come, let's take a look at it in the bonus page. So this is how the bonus page looks like. So the prices of MailerKit we have attached to the demo video, so you can take a look at the demo. So how this MailerKit works. So the prices comes in 6 OTOs, and the price OTO 1 is MailerKit Pro. The value of $67. So you can send automated sequence, premium email templates, advanced analytics, commercial license. The OTO 2 MailerKit Pro Max, the value of $97. Dedicated IP for best email delivery, email verification, API integration, commercial license, while white label sending or etc. You can just click here to get the MailerKit Pro Max. If you want MailerKit Pro, just click on this yellow button. So if you want MailerKit Pro Max, you just need to click on this yellow button. OTO 3 is MailerKit copywriting. The value of $67 generates 100 S-types email swipes in just one click. So if you want MailerKit copywriting, just click on this click here to get MailerKit copywriting. OTO 4 is MailerKit link most advanced URL management software. Just click here. It contains link rotators, link statistics, groups, custom domains, link custom pages, pages, password protection. So if you want link optimizer, just click on this yellow button. So OTO 5 MailerKit agency, the value was $197. So Can create unlimited accounts for clients, can charge monthly or one time at your own pricing, manage it, users, add or delete them as you wish. Easy to use agency dashboard. Just click here to get my MailerKit agency. Note your sixth value of this 90, reseller value of this is $97. Just if you want MailerKit reseller, just click on this yellow button. So including that, you'll get the bonuses. If you purchase any of this product, if you purchase any of the product from my link or from this bonus page, you will get all of my bonuses, including the bonus included by vendor. The bonus one is authority traffic masters. The bonus two is phase on store builder. The bonus three is SEO stone, SEO track. The bonus four is the WordPress lister. The bonus 5 is WordPress mobile plugin. The bonus 6 is WordPress social boom. The bonus 7 is WordPress social pop-ups. Bonus 8 is extreme list building. The bonus 9 is YouTube leads. So all of the above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account, 100% free. Just for this bonuses, just buy from any of this link, orange, yellow button. If you press on the yellow button, it directly takes you to the sales page. So for getting all of my bonuses, you just need to buy from this yellow button. So including that, I have given the demo video here too. You can also watch the demo video in the bonus page. I have attached the link for demo video in the bonus page. So this is how the mailer kit looks like. So let's see the value you are going to get with MailerKit. So you are going to get groundbreaking email marketing technology, 100% cloud-based technology, unlimited emails, scheduled emails anytime with push of button, automated text list management, stunning option forums, ready to use templates, beginner friendly, built with part-times in mind, unlimited emails with free SMTP, plus fully automated 100% hands-free. So you're also going to get the fast action bonuses, vendor bonuses. So they are giving a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's recap. MailerKit is best primary inbox delivery in this industry. Limited time offer, free SMTP, unlimited email sending credit. Collect unlimited leads and send unlimited emails. You control your own reputation, send emails from your own IP address. No monthly fee required, no restrictions of any kind, 100% cloud based with zero restrictions. It also has an unlimited emails, unlimited subscriber, unlimited list. So it's a spam trap technology enhanced in inbox delivery. So you can automatically drag and drop. So it's a built-in option, forms and pre-designed stunning email templates. So rapid import with no opt-in or verification required. So it has a 24/7 technical support. So MailerKit is available for a low one-time price for a short period only. Make sure you act before the prices rise up. The price will keep on increasing every hour. So this is the time you grab MailerKit. With my honest conclusion, I'll conclude it with just I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. I understand the decision of taking out $47 one-time price is not simply made, but this investment is profitable and for non-sustainable. And your investment is guaranteed safely thanks for thanks to 30 days refund without any question asked. So grab all of my bonuses just by clicking on any of this yellow button. You will get all of the bonuses instantly and also the vendor bonuses. Thank you. See you in the next video.